In our yard, we've got kind of a rustic setup. We've got some things that almost look like wildflowers, and then we've got some of these more scraggly guys that are just really not that nice looking. And so I want to show you today how I'm using this weeding tool to get rid of these. This makes the work fast and it keeps you from getting overly tired in your hands. So, first thing is that's really wonderful is you might notice the angle here. There's a lot of leverage, so when you get underneath the weed, you're able to kind of pop it out of the ground. Probably the biggest and most important thing. Another is you notice that it's got this fork here. The fork gets on either side of the stem and really allows you to have a little bit of leverage as you're popping it out. And finally, the fact that it's so skinny allows you to get in there, and you might notice here that there's a serrated edge. And the serrated edge lets you cut through some of those little small roots that are in there. So I'll show you an example. I'm going to look for the base of the weed here, and I see this is where it kind of goes in. I'm going to get kind of underneath it, and I'm just going to use that leverage to just pop it up. Now, you notice that really no dirt came out on that one. I didn't disturb the seeds. I don't want these seeds going everywhere and seeding our lawn with a bunch of extra of these terrible weeds. So I'm going to see if there's one that pops out with a bit of soil on it, so that way I can show you what to do. So if there's soil on it, rather than shake the plant, if you shake it, some of those seeds might disperse. So rather, I'm just going to tap the roots here and let all the soil just fall back onto the ground. And this can go onto the pile. You see probably behind me, we smushed down the stuff that was in that wheelbarrow, all those weeds. We're going to smush them down some more. We might give some of these to the chickens because they like them. I don't like them, but the chickens do. So if you've not, this is a Craftsman. We got this at Sears, but anything that does this job makes this whole weeding thing so much easier. Good luck.